All right, GBMC. Just wanted to thank you guys for the fill yesterday on the Brett Bart Aaron triple helmet. So this freebie will be for everybody that did not win, meaning I took out Andy's spots, and everybody else is eligible to win the freebie, which is a Kenny Clark 16 by 20. So we'll check the time, December 21st at 5:58 p.m. We're going to go over to the raffle and type live. And we have December 21st at 5:58 p.m. There's the list of our 50 remaining entries. We're just going to randomize names, and then whoever is on top after the final roll is our winner. So we need a dice roll of 5 or higher. There's 6. All right, 6 times. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, last and final. Here we go. Good luck. It is Ben. Spot 48 is your winner. So, Ben, please get with me to collect your Kenny Clark. There is our verification code, our timestamp once again, December 21st, 5:58 p.m. That's it, guys. Thanks.